Given all the advantages of the Organica solution like lower power consumption, smaller footprint, odorless operation, good aesthetics, lower sludge production, people often tend to miss the fact that Organica's solution for wastewater treatment also offers a lower cost of construction. This advantage is actually more relevant for turnkey contractors involved in construction, some of whom are actually Organica's direct project delivery partners in various geographies. It starts with the fact that one of Organica's biggest advantages is a much lower physical footprint. The whole treatment facility is built as a single unit, efficiently housing all unit operations within. Just imagine that in place of building multiple smaller houses, the objective is to build a single large one, slightly larger than the multiple units you would have across the site. Organica is probably the only wastewater solution provider that employs architects trained in the field of wastewater treatment. This group of people who are part of the application engineering team at Organica are constantly improving the location and the arrangement of all unit operations within the single structure to reduce the cost of construction. Due to the lower physical footprint, the first direct saving is made in having a smaller perimeter for site preparation and excavation works. Almost all the concrete and masonry walls in the single structure are common with another tank or room. Besides the direct advantages resulting from these two savings, it also implies a shorter time period for construction and therefore savings in site costs. Well, the good news is that it doesn't end here. It just gets better as we take a look at the various unit operations within the wastewater treatment facility. Now, since the FCR, unlike suspended growth and hybrid systems, only relies on attached biomass on its natural and engineered media, the return activated sludge, or popularly known as RAS system, is not required in the Organica solution. That is one unit operation less in the whole system. Secondly, due to the significantly lower suspended solids in the biological reactors, there is no need for a secondary clarifier in the Organica solution, as the effluent from the biological reactors can be sent directly to Organica's scallop disc filters. Thirdly, owing to the lower air requirement to achieve the desired level of dissolved oxygen in the reactors, the complete aeration system in an FCR is about 20 to 30% smaller, thus allowing savings in mechanical, electrical, as well as installation costs. Again, due to the compact layout, pipe and cable lengths in an Organica's facility are simply shorter, reducing both the material as well as installation costs. For removal of nitrogen, the FCR does not use the cumbersome mixers in anoxic tanks. Instead, the hydraulic mixing is achieved by strategically located air diffusers below the engineered media. Last but not the least, as the size of the facility becomes bigger, it is normal for the distribution boards and to start spreading at various locations on the site. In a conventional system, however, in an Organica facility, there are hardly any distribution boards across the whole facility for any electrical or automation system due to the compact layout and shorter cable lengths. So folks, to summarize, the main reasons why Organica offers savings in construction are a single structure in place of multiple ones, lesser site and preparation excavation, common walls, shorter construction period, no RAS system, a smaller aeration system, shorter pipe and cable lengths, no anoxic mixers, and either none or lower number of distribution boards across the facility, which at the end are topped by the satisfaction the construction crew derives after building a beautiful wastewater treatment facility.